Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are breaking down the latest Bitcoin price action, where the market currently stands, the key support and resistance levels, the high probability scenarios, and the trading setup you can use today. Okay, right now, Bitcoin is trading around 86 till $87,000 after a sharp correction from the recent high near $126,000. Volatility there is elevated and the market is reacting strongly to ETF flows and institutional activity. About the market overview, over the past days, we saw a strong wave of selling pressure pushing BTC back toward major support zones. ETF outflows and institutional de-risking have increased downward pressure, and many analytics warn that if Bitcoin fails to hold its key structure, the next major area could be much lower. So let's break down the levels that actually matter. What about the case support and resistance levels? Support levels, I think 86,000 short-term support that has been tested multiple times. 80,000 a critical measure support. Losing this opens the door to deeper downside. Okay, and maybe this is we have a other scenario, and this 72,000 zone. This is other scenario. Next, a strong support range if the correction extends. Okay, remember this. What about the resistance levels? 92,000 our resistance levels. Immediate resistance, recent rejection have occurred here, and other resistance levels 95,000 till $97,000 heavy supply zone. Bulls need real volume to break it. $100,000 major physiological level. Okay, breaking above could signal a trend reversal for buy. You can get and open the buy position if break this price. But I think this levels have some weeks time for reach this price. About the market scenarios, bullish or bearish. If Bitcoin hold above 80,000 and we see renewed buying volume, we could see a move toward 92,000, and if that level breaks, the next target are 95 till $97,000 with a potential secondary target at $100,000. Okay. About the bearish scenario, if BTC break below $80,000 with strong volume, the bearish structure, downside target becomes $76,000 and 72,000 till 70,000 range is an extended sell-off.